How to know if someone is online on Snapchat. What is up everyone? Welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can easily tell if someone is online on Snapchat. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's jump right in. The very first thing you need to do is open up your Snapchat and make sure that you are logged into your account. So now what you want to do is head over to your chat section, and then from here on the top left, tap on your profile icon. Once you land on your profile page, you can just go ahead and scroll down and you can tap on my friends. And here you'll see a list of your friends. So you can just tap on their profile like here, and if you see this little green icon, then that means that they are online right now or they have been active recently. Now, if you scroll down and you have an option to see their last location, then that means that they are currently active, or if it shows you that they were active some time ago, then they were 100% active that time. Now, what you can also do is try to chat with them. So just type in a message. And once you have typed in the message, you can just go back to your profile and your inbox. And here, if it says delivered and after some time it says opened, then that means that they have opened your message and they have seen yours. So as you can see right here on group one, you can see opened. It will show you something like that. And if it shows you that, then that means they are online and they have seen your message. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you check if someone is online. As you can see, all these people were online recently or are actively online right now. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.